last week we did like 60-second something
review.
Where we
no,
did,
no,
like,
it wasn't
it's
reviews.
not a review, but we sort of just talked about it. So this week we're going to do something sort of similar. Similar. Where we just choose one random comic, and then we talk about, you know, our thoughts on that comic. So it'll sort of be like an unscripted.
Sort of, but not really. Yeah. All right.
Okay, so I'm closing my eyes, and...
All right, Avengers.
Oh, that's a good one.
Avengers versus X-Men #0. I'll take
Totally not planned.
We don't plan things here.
Okay, Avengers versus X-Men #0.
0. So that means it's a prologue. It's prelude, prologue.
Yeah.
So it's. I would think. Here's issue 0. It's not #1. It's gonna get you ready. It's gonna set things up. It's gonna be a big event. That's all Marvel's talking about.
Yeah. You'd think that like you'd have crazy stuff happening.
Yeah, because okay, how much was this? $3.99. So you got to get $4 from someone. You got to say, this is going to be our big event, big series. We're doing 2 series.
Because
you need to buy it.
this is the first issue, right?
It's like the teasers before a movie.
Right.
You need to sell the people on this.
Exactly. It's like going into the movie theater, watching the trailer.
I kind of said that.
Sort of.
So basically,
do you think this is a good trailer? Would you see this movie? Because I wouldn't.
Probably not.
I mean, okay, it was okay.
I give it a 4.
Right.
So it's and we talked about it in the podcast. So and I think we both agree. We like the Scarlet Witch part.
Definitely.
The whole part was okay.
Yeah. And the art's good. You know, for the most part.
Yeah.
We both had some similar issues with it, but I think that what it comes down to is this the sort of like are the events that happen in this book
indicative?
Are they enough?
Are they indicative of the rest of the series?
Right, because if that's the case, then this is going to be kind of an uneventful event.
It's just, it's weird. Okay, so we have a story about Scarlet Witch.
Right.
She's a mutant, so there's your X-Men type. She was never an X-Men. She was an Avenger. There's your Avenger type.
Yep.
Where's she been lately since Children's Crusade?
We don't know.
We don't know. We find out some stuff, progress, all that. My big question, what the heck does she have to do with Avengers versus X-Men? We know the Phoenix Force is coming in.
Yeah.
But
I thought the Phoenix Force was targeting Hope.
Yeah.
And that's sort of the way that the Hope
story.
Like, that's what it implies. Yeah, exactly.
So, if it goes after Scarlet Witch, that could be really cool.
Totally.
Twist. I don't think it's gonna happen.
I think we also both like Scarlet Witch a little bit more than Hope.
Yeah. And then the Hope story is just Hope and Cyclops and they're being fish.
You know what it is? Maybe it's because we've already seen the preview for what happens here, and like so much of that dialogue we already read.
The Serpent Society.
Yeah, I don't get it. Anyway, it's like, so this was kind of an uneventful first issue for an event book and the event of the year. You know, Marvel's big event. So I don't know.
Because if it's setting you up, if it's telling people this is who Scarlet Witch is, this is what she's been doing, this is who Hope is what she's been doing, okay, that kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
But again, Scarlet Witch, what does she have to do with this? And we've been reading about Hope since Second Coming, or Messiah Complex, whatever. And
forever now.
So this doesn't scream Avengers versus X-Men. You got 2 separate. There's no fighting. There's no.
Did you want to see fighting like right here?
There should be something. I mean, if you got this big, there's no verses. There's no one. I mean, Hope is fighting Cyclops more, and
there's just a lot of crying.
Yeah.
So many people crying.
Yeah, what's that?
And we'll end it right there.
Hopefully you're not crying when you spend $4 on this issue.
Or watching this video, because it's terrible. I'm crying. On the inside.